Greetings, dear friends. I'm Andrey Khovratov. Today is the 30th of March 2020. Today marks exactly 1 year since we launched CryptoUnit program on the 30th of March 2019. It has been exactly 1 year, and we have achieved unbelievable results. First, we started our program with already more than $12 million worth of assets, which means we launched the program not as rookies. We launched it on a solid foundation. During this year, we have achieved incredible results. A year later, today, our assets can be estimated at more than $370 million. Dear friends, there is a number of venture capital market assets. There is a number of stock market assets, financial market assets. There is a number of assets in the form of equity participation in business. We have assets in arts and culture. Dear friends, over this year, we have reached nearly 1.5 million people involved in CryptoUnit program after starting the program from scratch. More than 600,000 accounts contain CRU token points. This year, on January the 15th, we issued 80 billion of our tokens on Ethereum blockchain, and there is the so-called depository, which supports transactions. Unfortunately, Ethereum was very weak for our purposes, very slow. Therefore, we decided to create our own blockchain based on the EOS code. Now this blockchain is almost ready, and very soon we will have our own blockchain. And you will see all of these transactions on our own blockchain. Dear friends, on the 4th of April, we will hold a festive webinar, a gala conference. We're all online. We're all at home. Unfortunately, or fortunately, I do not know yet. No one knows for whom this is good and for whom this is bad. But a huge number of people are at home now. Today, on the 30th of March 2020, about 1 billion people are already remote employees who work on the internet. And because of this situation that has developed in the world, because of the lockdown, a large number of people, practically 1.5 billion to 2.5 billion people, will soon have to stay home. Many of them may not be able to work from home. Maybe they will start to watch all sorts of movies, all kinds of entertainment, be in some social media. But dear friends, you are already spending money to pay for internet connection. So let's work together as a team and enable them. Help these people make money just because they are already on the internet. Our mission is very ambitious. Our mission is to implement the NEEW program, the new economic evolution of the world, where a huge number of people, over 1 billion people, according to our plans, will become the owners of future enterprises, businesses that will yield and are yielding a very high profit even today. We want to unite in order to make our lives better. Dear friends, it is a wonderful time. I call it the golden age, the golden era, for those who are in the multi-level crowd investing system. Dear friends, I want to say on this anniversary date that now is the time to gear up. If some of you are still hitting the brakes, if you still have the emergency brake on, you must release it and start acting. Now is the time for action. Today, people are at home by the will of fate or God's will, so let's enable them. We are the company that has huge operational experience on the internet, going back to 2011. In 2014, we started Swig company to support a venture capital project, and we are a genuine internet company, because the first time we all met offline at a conference was only half a year after our opening on the 1st of October 2014. We met in person with our employees, our partners, who promoted our idea, promoted our business. I'm a professional in multi-level business, a master in multi-level business management. I know how to do business online, offline. I share this every day on my YouTube channel, in Instagram. Now we have TikTok, new social media, and I'll be there to share my experience. Now it is time, dear friends, for you to take charge of your life, to become the master of your own destiny, and create your own destiny based on the script that you wrote. You are the chief script writer, the chief producer, the chief director, the protagonist of the film that you are creating, which is called your life. Now comes a great time, and our program, CryptoUnit, our new program, our approach to work on the internet, the system of multi-level crowd investing will empower each person. Dear friends, congratulations! We are 1 year old today, and I want to invite everyone to the anniversary celebrations to be held this autumn. Dear friends, see you at our webinars, at our meetings. It has been Andrey Khovratov.